Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. Laylatul Qadr is again upon us, and it only comes around once per year. Will you stand there watching it pass you by without doing anything to catch it? Or will you grab this opportunity with both hands and earn great rewards? Rewards as if you are carrying out the same action for 1,000 months. This is the promise of Allah. Carrying out an act of worship on Laylatul Qadr could bring you rewards for carrying out that same act continuously for more than 83 years. Subhanallah. We should strive to give sadaqah and make use of the immense rewards up for grabs. We have a unique opportunity for you today to earn the continuous rewards of Sadaqah Jariyah, the continuing charity, the gift that keeps on giving. The International Open University, IOU, has been changing thousands and thousands of lives for over a decade, and we now invite the Ummah to share in our barakah. We welcome your assistance to help us open and run new learning centers for poor scholarship students in Africa, as well as other developing countries around the world, such as Fiji, Indonesia, Bangladesh, and Papua New Guinea. This Ramadan, we are hoping to raise $200,000 to cover the setup and operational costs for new and existing centers for 1 year. So we are now offering a golden opportunity to 2,000 special people chosen by Allah to earn along with us the great rewards of Sadaqah Jariyah by giving only $100 each. Remember, if tonight is Laylatul Qadr, you won't see it again until next year. And who knows if we will still be alive next year. Give today and earn rewards tomorrow, next week, next month, and until you meet Allah. Jazakumullahu khairah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.